Big up to the 50 subs. Big up to 50 subs. I know it's only 50, but still means a lot that some of you have actually subbed to the channel. On the 19th of June, I hit 1,000 subscribers.
Okay, it's currently the 6th of December, 2023.
It's 8:30 at night and I'm sitting here editing my first digital product. I'm hopefully going to release early 2024. And I've just got the sub count live and we have just hit our first 10,000 subscribers.
This is mad.
Over the past year, I've been the most consistent with this channel than I've ever been. Even if it means that I haven't uploaded as much than I did the previous year, it's still the most amount of efforts that I've ever put in. Taking every chance I got to work on it outside my 9 to 5, even if it meant that I had to work while on holiday. And it's forced me into this very introverted lifestyle of hardly ever leaving my room so I can spend time working on videos. But it's what's allowed me to go from just 1,000 subscribers back in June of 2022 to then 2,000 in November, and now a year later, 10,000 subscribers in December. And I want this to remain as proof to not just you watching, but also to myself, as a reminder that if you really just focus on one thing over a prolonged time span and just stick to it, you will get rewarded for it. And despite this video being about the difference in 1 year, which to some may seem like a long time, it really isn't in the grand scheme of our lifetimes. I've always been very forward thinking, and I'm not so obsessed in how I'll do in the next year. I think about more where I'll be in the next 10 years. And so what I'm more excited about is that if we could grow this channel 5 times in just 1 year, how much can we grow by in a decade? Basically, I really want to make this work, so I'm posting this as a reminder to show what happens when you put in efforts and keep at it once you get that momentum. But really, this is also an opportunity to say thank you to all 10,000 of you that have supported me over the past year and beyond, as I definitely don't take it for granted. As I mentioned earlier, and as a community post, I am spending a lot of time working on something for you lot, so hopefully the short period of fewer uploads for now will make up for it in the near future. But thank you lots again for your continued support, and as always, I'll see you lot in the next one.